Welcome to the Food and Travel Enthusiast channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I made my omelette that I served with some brioche bun. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day and looking forward to the holidays. And there you see I am cutting up my green onions, and then I'm going to do my onions as well. If you like what you see here, be sure to subscribe, like, follow, turn on that notification button so you are kept up to date as we post our videos. And we thank you so much for watching, because we know you have many choices, but you chose to watch ours. So thank you very much for that. And as you can see, I'm cutting up my bell peppers. I'm trying to use different colors to give my egg that nice look. And then you can see I have some baby tomatoes that I am cutting up as well. So there you see I used about 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter, and I'm going to be using 2 eggs. As you see, I cracked them there. And then I'm going to be adding some almond milk, less than a 1/4 cup, some black pepper, and some creole seasoning that I use instead of salt, just to give my food more flavor. You can add a pinch of salt if you'd like. And then I'm going to be adding my seasonings to my melted butter. So there you see I have the tomato and my bell pepper, 1 clove of garlic, my green onions, and my regular sweet onions. And then I'm going to saute that until my onions become translucent, and I put some pickled mushroom in there as well. And I'm going to be adding some creole seasoning now, just to get all those flavors to combine together. And then I'm going to be adding some sun-dried tomatoes to take it up a notch. You're going to love the flavors. If you could smell the kitchen now, it smells so good. And so then now I'm just going to be making sure that all my vegetables are covered with the seasonings and my sun-dried tomatoes. And then we're just going to continue to saute that until it's cooked. And you can see I'm trying to break up the tomatoes because I don't like when it's whole, but if you like it, then you don't have to break the tomatoes up. And so then I added some spinach, and once those kind of wilt some, then we'll pour it out and start to work on our egg mixture that we had recently prepared. And so I'm going to be adding a little black pepper now. If you want, you can add habanero or hot sauce, whichever one you'd like. And so then now, once this is done, then we'll start on our egg. This is about a 1/4 teaspoon of unsalted butter again, and I'm just trying to move that around so it gets melted. And then I pour in our egg mixture, and then you're gonna see me leaning the pot to the side so that the excess egg can be poured out once we add our other ingredients. So just kind of use your spoon to move the edge of the already formed egg, not the runny section, so that you can see I'm doing it there just to make the runny section get some heat on it as well. And you want to do this for maybe 2 to 3 minutes, just to make sure as much of the runny section is off the top. So now I'm just adding my mozzarella cheese on top, and then I'm going to be adding back our spinach mixture that we prepared before. And there you see all that ingredients on top, and then you kind of try to fold the edges. And then you will need 2 spatula to flip it over so you can make sure that the inside is well cooked. See, I get both sides and then I flip it over and let it cook for about a minute or 2. And there you see, I'm showing you how to plate. And there is the finished product. Thank you so much for watching, and you have a good day. See you on the next video. Be safe. Bye.